What is going on, guys? Welcome back to MG Marine Tech. I know I've been absent in the last couple of months. I've been extremely busy with work. I wanted to take some time and kind of give you guys an update about MG Marine Tech. I've got some exciting news to share. I wanted to also fill you in on what I'm going to be covering here in the next couple of weeks. But first things first, the exciting news. MG Marine Tech is now proud to announce that I am not only a Garmin authorized reseller, but I am also a Miller Tech authorized reseller. Basically, I have everything covered in the electronics market from the marine industry. If you guys need units, batteries, whatever it may be, I can get them for you. So please reach out to me if you are in the need for any of that stuff. Secondly, I want to show you guys what we're going to be covering here in the next couple of weeks, and it has to do with these two things right behind me. So let's flip this camera around and show you guys. So these are a couple of new products, both from Garmin and Miller Tech. First things first, we're gonna be covering the Miller Tech Lithium battery. So this is their sports series. This is a brand new series from Miller Tech, one of the best in the business when it comes to lithium batteries. This is a 36 volt, 60 amp hour battery. This is a trolling motor battery. So one single battery for your 36 volt trolling motors. They also have these in 24 volts, and obviously they have, your standard 12 volt lithium batteries as well. This is their new sports series, and as you'll see, it is Bluetooth compatible. So you can hook this battery up to your phone, keep track of the battery, whether it be temperatures, amp draw, life of the battery left, etc. I'm going to be covering all of that in its own dedicated video for this battery, so stay tuned for that. And then new from Garmin in the last couple of weeks is their new UHD 2 series line. Now the UHD 2 has been out for a little while, but it was the smaller units. They just recently released the 7 and the 9-inch units for the new UHD 2. And there are a lot of cool things that this unit does that the older unit did not do. Garmin definitely listened to their customers when they designed this unit. And that's something I am extremely excited to see. So stay tuned. I'm going to be doing a video on the new UHD 2 9-inch unit versus the existing UHD 9-inch unit. So that should be pretty cool. This is going to be a powerhouse little unit for people just getting into the game. Lots and lots of updates, and it's definitely worth the extra money compared to the existing 9-inch unit. All right, guys, so there you have it. Like I said before, I am now an authorized Garmin reseller as well as a dealer for Miller Tech lithium batteries. If you guys want to support this channel even further and you are in the market for marine electronics, please reach out to me. I'll do whatever I can to make the sale as smooth as possible for you guys. As always, I'm going to be continuing doing all these educational videos. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on MG Marine Tech, and we will see you guys later.